The first date, a canvas of possibilities, but beware, some strokes can tarnish this delicate beginning. Tonight we unveil 8 more blunders that could snuff out the spark of romance before it ignites. Join me as we navigate these treacherous waters with charm and grace. Good evening, esteemed viewers. Welcome once again to Couch Psychology, where we dissect the art of first impressions. I'm here comfortably ensconced in my library to delve deeper into the dance of dating. As Heather has explored before, first dates are akin to a chess game where every move counts. But fear not, for I'm here to guide you through this intricate maze. Tonight we expand our repertoire of what not to do on a first date. While Heather's covered some cardinal sins previously, there are yet more subtleties to master. Remember, it's not just about avoiding missteps, it's about crafting an experience that is both delightful and memorable. We'll discuss everything from a fussy eater to expecting a spark right away. It's crucial to understand that sometimes a gentle ember of liking is enough to warrant a second date. Our journey will take us through nuances that can make or break the delicate first meeting. So grab your cup of tea, glass of wine, cup of coffee, beer, settle in and let's embark on this enlightening journey. Whether you're a seasoned dater or new to the game, these insights will equip you with the wisdom to navigate your next romantic rendezvous with finesse and charm. So let's begin. Being a fussy eater. First on our list is being a fussy eater. Dining together is a dance of tastes and preferences. Being overly particular or disdainful about food can leave a sour taste. It's not about compromising your dietary needs, but about flexibility and openness. Show willingness to try new things, to find common culinary ground. Remember, it's the company and conversation that should be the main course, with the meal playing a delightful supporting role. Number 2, expecting an instant spark. Next, let's address the myth of instant sparks. While electrifying chemistry is splendid, it's wonderful, its absence on a first date is not a death knell. Focus on the comfort and connection you feel. Sometimes affection grows like a slow burning flame, needing more than just a single encounter to fully ignite. Give it time. Second dates often reveal more, much more. After all, deep connections are marinated in time, not just seasoned with first impressions. Number 3, over planning the date. A date should be like jazz, improvised, not orchestrated to the last note. Over planning can make the evening feel rigid, stripping it of spontaneity. Offer a structure but leave room for the unexpected. This flexibility shows you're open to the flow of the evening and attentive to your date's preferences. Number 4, neglecting personal grooming. First impressions are visual symphonies. Neglecting personal grooming, be it unkempt hair, wrinkled clothes or overpowering fragrances, can strike a dissonant chord. Show respect for both yourself and your date by presenting yourself neatly. It speaks volumes about your self-esteem and consideration for others. Number 5, being dismissive of staff. You all know what I'm talking about here. How you treat service staff reveals your character. Rudeness or dismissiveness towards waiters or other staff is a glaring red flag. Kindness and politeness are universal languages of respect. Show your date you're gracious and considerate, qualities that are attractive in any relationship. Number 6, monopolising the conversation. Conversation is a tennis match, not a monologue. Dominating the dialogue can make your date feel unheard. Balance sharing about yourself with genuine interest in your date's experiences and thoughts. This reciprocal exchange fosters a connection and shows that you value their presence. Number 7, ignoring boundaries. Respect personal boundaries, both physical and conversational. Pushing too fast or too soon, be it personal questions or physical advances, can be off-putting. Pay attention to their comfort level and mirror it. Respect and sensitivity are key in building trust. Finally, number 8, focusing on your phone. In a world ruled by screens, being present is precious. Constantly checking your phone is a sign of disinterest. Give your date your full attention. It's a sign of respect and shows you're truly interested in the experience and the person you are with. And there we are, my dear viewers, 8 more treacherous pitfalls to sidestep on your first date. Remember, the path to a meaningful connection is often lined with subtleties and nuances. Tonight's insights are not just about skirting around mistakes, they're about crafting a narrative that makes your date yearn for more. As we conclude, I urge you to view your next first date as an exploration, a chance to discover and be discovered. It's a unique opportunity to present the best version of yourself, to find harmony in the company of another. Keep these pearls of wisdom close, but above all, be authentic. Authenticity is a beacon that draws people in. So, thank you for joining me on this enlightening excursion through the do's and don'ts of first dates. May these lessons guide you as you weave through the tapestry of dating. Remember, in both love and life, it's not just about finding the right person, but being the right person. So until next time, keep your wit sharp and your heart open. And do remember, Couch Psychology is always here to guide you through the labyrinth of love and relationships. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and perhaps share this video with somebody embarking on their own romantic journey. Thank you.